Brian's 840, May 15th. Been out for a while, found a bunch of broken stuff, just put them all up so I ain't gonna get them out. Hooked up on this in here. Let's pray that it's whole. Yeah. What in the world?
That's the point that was sticking out.
Is it just broke up here? It is just broke up there, shit. Damn it, man. Alright, well. We all know what the tractors do to them. Try to find a hole one. Later. It's Brian's 840, May 15th again. Clean up. Didn't do too bad. This is pretty puzzling. It's worked. Here it's broke. Right there. Broke right there, and then the base is, I guess, is broke. Very thin. I don't know. Weird, for sure. And not too bad. This would have been a nice one. Nice material. Too bad. This would have been freaking cool. Man. What the fields would do to him. It's a nice little base. This would have been a nice one. It's just broken stuff. Just the broken pieces. That's pretty cool. All broken up. It's a pretty nice tool. Broke. Went creek walking, that's where we started. All of that come out of the field today. That's the only thing I found in the creek. Not too bad. Not too bad. Later, guys.